That was really, really moving, Charles. Thank you so much for those kind words to all of our community. Can I just ask Adam Van Coverton, can you join us, please? Thank you, Adam. Adam has been a steadfast ally of the Milton community, which is his riding, but also of the Muslim community at large. Listen, today is really all about community building. It's about breaking bread together. It's about getting to know our neighbors. It's about, which are, these two, my neighbors. And it's really about how we go forward together in this diverse community, in this diverse society that is Canada, as Canadians, as Muslim Canadians, while ensuring that we ourselves have the rights, as all Canadians do, but at the same time ensuring that we are protecting the rights of all Canadians and protecting the value of what this multicultural society, what this beautiful mosaic that is Canada really means. I was 29 when I was first elected. I know, it was over 7 years ago. And many of you who are here in the room today stood with me shoulder to shoulder, not really knowing if I had what it took, but I have spent the last 7 years trying to prove to my Mississauga Erin Mills community and to all of you that we do have what it takes to be the building blocks of a strong Canada, of a beautiful Canada, of a Canada that celebrates our diversity, of a Canada that fights racism, of a Canada that makes sure that our budget 2023, which was just recently tabled, is inclusive, that it is valued by each and every member of our Canadian society. And you are a huge part of it. So really thank you from the bottom of my heart for all that you do to keep our community together, to make sure that we are building, and to ensure that we stay strong in who we are, in our identity, and in our government, right, Charles?
You bet.
Oh, I see that MP Shafqat Ali has just arrived. Can we have a round of applause for Shafqat? And I will just quickly recognize, we have Councillor Samira Ali, who was here. There she is. Samira Ali, you want to just stand and be recognized? Thank you. I'm not sure who else I saw coming in, but if I started naming people, to phir roza to reh gaya hamara. So in closing then, I'm just checking the time to make sure. Then in that case, I will ask Adam and Shafqat if you guys want to say 30 seconds, just being careful of the prayer time, yeah?